All right, so the next thing that we can work with right here after inserting or adding to the cart is basically displaying the items right here for the user in the cart link right here. All right, so it's just a simple data selection. It's not that hard to do. So let's go ahead and do this. So if I go ahead right here, well, normally let's go to the routes right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead, copy this link and paste. So this will go to food/cart right here. All right, so we can remove this. And we will hit the foods controller right here, and we will hit, let's see, this should be right here, display cart items, something like that. All right. But we can go right here, food.cart dot food dot display dot cart, something like that. All right, so let's save this. Let's go ahead right now and pick up this name, copy, and let's go to since we're gonna go ahead and go to this cart right here. Just want to display the cart or allow the user to click on the cart. We need to go to let's say we need to go to resources, we need to go to views, and we need to go to the master template actually, because it's right in the nav bar, right? So if we go, well, yeah, it's right over there. So there is the cart assembly. I want to go ahead right here, and there is the link. So if we just go right here and paste this in, well, actually before that we need to go route, and we go right here and wrap this up like that. So just save. All right, so now let's go ahead and pick up the function. Let's work with it. Let's copy this and let's go right over there, the app, and let's go to HTTP, and let's go to controllers. Let's go to foods, and let's go to the foods controller right here. So let's go ahead and paste this in. We can copy any one of those functions. Copy this, and let's go down at the bottom and paste this in. Let's cut this and paste like that. All right, so if we go right here, we need to display, of course, the items that that this user we need to display the only items that the user added to this cart, that this certain user added to the cart. All right, so we need to display by the user ID right here, right, because we can have like a limited number of users adding a limited number of items to the cart. All right, so the only thing right here that we need is simply the user ID right here. All right, the only thing that we can specify this by. All right, so I hope this makes sense. So if we just go right here, I'm gonna delete both of those, and we can go right here and we can go something like cart items. All right, so we are gonna grab this from the cart, and we're gonna go where user ID right here. Well, actually, we can just delete this where, and we can go cart where the user ID equals the ID that's coming from the session. All right, and we're gonna go right after this, and we're gonna go get. All right, so, and we will go right here to return view foods dot food dash details, and we're gonna go compact blah blah blah. So this will actually be another thing right here. So this will be cart like that, so foods.cart. So the compact right here, we're gonna add this. All right, so remove this right now, save this whole thing. If we copy this, all right, so just give me a. All right, so let's continue. Sorry about that. So if we add this in the compact, so we can pass it into this view. So let's copy the view name, and let's go right here at the resources, and let's create it right away. Resources views, and let's go to foods, and let's create this. So this will be cart.blade.php like that. All right. So we can now just copy the part that will allow us to add the master template. So just paste this in section, so just save. All right, so if we just go right here at the cart, all right, so there is the part, there is this div that we need to add right here that holds the background image. So let me copy it and paste it right there first, and then let's go down at the bottom and we will see service start right here. So I can just copy this whole container div. All right, and this is actually all what we need, so we will just paste this like that and save. All right, so if we click cart right now, you should go and see this page and it will be just static because all right, so the get method is not supported for, yeah, of course. So we did not even change the type of this to get. This is actually a get, not a post. All right, so this should refresh and it should work right now. All right, so as you can see, it's being displayed now statically, of course. So let me fix the part for the margin. So let me copy this. Let me go right here at the cart. Let me add this right there. All right, so now I want to go ahead down at the bottom and we can see that it's just a very simple table. We're gonna remove both of those TRs, and we're gonna go ahead right above this and we're gonna go for each actually, and we're gonna go and let's copy this cart items and we're gonna paste this like that as for example as food. All right, so I want to copy this and I go right here at the image. I want to paste this in, so this will be image like that. Yeah, so actually we need an image. We need an image right here. All right, so it's not going to be displayed like that. All right, so we need this to be source and we need to go right here. Let's cut this. Yeah, we need the image tag, of course. So I want to go right here. So this will be asset first like that, and we will go to the assets, the assets folder, and we're going to go to image. We're going to go slash, and we're going to go right here and concatenate this like that. And now we can just add this. All right, and we can go right here and close this. And I want to go right over here and I want to go with right here. So all right, so what's going on? Yeah, we need to go right here. So we need to go with it will be 60 pixels, something like that, and we can go right here. Height can also keep it like 60, for example, or 50, whatever that you want. All right, so yeah, right after this I want to copy this right here, so this will be the name for this. All right, right after this I simply have the price. So if we just go price like that, and this is simply the part that this is the link that will allow us to delete from the cart, but I'm not gonna work with it right now. All right, and we also have this part for the total, which I'm not also gonna work with it right now. Maybe I will work with it in the next video or so. So yeah, let's cut this TR, let's paste, and I want to go ahead right after this and save. All right, so this should be refreshed right now. All right, so as you can see right over here, our cart is working perfectly. Here are the two items that we have right here in the cart table for this user. All right, so I want to add a very simple validation up there. So I want to go if this cart item basically right here is greater, if the count of this right here, if this count is greater than 0, that means that we have items, so we will just go ahead and display them. All right, otherwise I want to go ahead Otherwise, I want to go ahead right here, else. I want to go something like h3. I want to go class. I want to go alert. Alert right here, dash success. All right, and I want to go, you have no items in cart yet. All right, so if he does not, if this right here is not greater than 0, then that means that this guy did not even add any items to the cart, right? Because the array right here does not have any elements. All right. So right after this, I'm just gonna go and f like that. All right. So that's actually everything. So you just save this, but actually still display the items because we still have items. So I want to go ahead. Let's see. We try, for example, to delete this from here, to delete this item. All right. So now it's deleted. So we should only see one item right there. All right. So as you can see, there is only this item right here. And in the next video, we should work with like the total right here. And we might work with the delete. I did not even decide this just yet. All right. So yeah, this will be all, and I will see you in the next video.